Ever wonder how those beloved Lay's potato chips get made? What's the difference between factory-made chips and the ones you make at home? We're taking you behind the scenes to see how your favorite potato chip is not just made, but why it tastes so good. Let's start with the basics. What does it take to make a potato chip? All chips start as potatoes. Yes, real potatoes, which are cleaned and cut into uniform slices before being blanched in hot water and oil. Then the potatoes are fried until they're golden and flavorful, followed by a few quick steps that separate them from any other snack food. So let's take a tour of the inside of a Lay's factory, where we can learn how those delicious crunchy chips come to life. The potato growing process. It all starts with the potatoes, but you already knew that. The golden yumminess of Lay's potato chips wouldn't exist without proper potato growing and harvesting. The potatoes used in Lay's chips are specifically cultivated to grow in ideal conditions, and they need to also maintain a consistent size and texture. Before being sent off to the factory, the potatoes are washed, sorted, and peeled. This ensures that none of the extra potato skin makes its way into your bag. Then they are cut into chip-sized slices and sent along the assembly line, where they get cooked in a bath of vegetable oil until they reach their delicious final form. The secret behind those perfect little slivers of fried potato is all in properly preparing the potatoes themselves. That's why it's key for Lay's to have strict protocols for cultivating, washing, sorting, and harvesting them, so we can have perfectly crisp chips every time. How ingredients make it to the factory floor. If you've ever wondered how fresh potato chips make it from the farm to your snack bowl, you're in luck. Here's a look inside the Lay's Chips factory and its process for making tasty chips. From start to finish, quality control is at the center of every step of the production process. First, farmers carefully select potatoes for their size and texture before harvesting them for transport. Once at the factory, the potatoes are examined one more time for signs of damage or imperfections before being processed. The potatoes then move on to what's known as the peeling room, where an automated process strips away any blemishes or discolorations on the skin. The next steps involve slicing, sorting, and cutting the potatoes into uniform chip shapes. After that, they are double cooked in perfect harmony with other ingredients like vegetable oil and natural seasonings like sea salt or vegetables. Finally, each batch of chips go through a series of strict quality checks to make sure they adhere to Lay's high standards and safety requirements before being packed into bags. It's no wonder that each Lay's chip is full of flavor-packed deliciousness. From potato to chip, the manufacturing process. You may be wondering, how does a potato become a delicious, crunchy chip? The process starts with farmers in the United States who grow white potatoes to supply the Lay's factories. Then these potatoes are peeled and cut into tiny slices in the factory. Quick cooking. The potato slices are then washed and soaked in hot water to reduce sugar content and remove any dirt or impurities. The soaked and washed potatoes are then quickly cooked in vegetable oil to give them that signature crunchy texture. After cooking, the chips travel through a series of coolers with air jets that remove excess moisture. This helps ensure that each chip is evenly cooked and has consistent flavor. Flavoring. From there, the chips are lightly salted and sent down a conveyor belt to be packed into bags after they're carefully inspected for quality assurance. Depending on your favorite flavor, such as classic Lay's or sour cream and onion, each bag is then seasoned with aromatic spices and herbs for an extra burst of flavor. Thanks to this meticulous manufacturing process from farm to factory, you can now enjoy fresh potato chips that are made with love from start to finish. Quality control of Lay's chips. Have you ever wondered what goes into making sure that Lay's chips pack the same delicious crunch every time? It all comes down to quality control. Here's a look at what happens within the factory to make sure you get that same classic flavor and satisfying crunch, no matter which bag you open. Potatoes. The first step of the quality control process is to select and inspect potatoes for blemishes, size, and weight. The potatoes are then washed, peeled, and sliced before being cooked in vegetable oil for about 2 minutes to get them golden brown and crispy. Seasoning. Next, the chips move on to flavoring with different seasonings like classic salt or sour cream and onion. The chips are coated with flavorings and lightly salted before passing through a series of screens to ensure that they meet Lay's chips' exacting standards of uniformity and consistency. Packaging. Finally, the bags of chips go through a metal detector to make sure there's nothing foreign in them, and then sent off for packaging. The chips are placed in packages printed with Lay's classic branding before sealing it away for freshness, ensuring every bag is as good as the first. At every step of production, experienced staff members check the chips for size variations, shapes, coloration, and other defects, doing their part to make sure each bag meets Lay's high-quality standards. Packaging and shipping of Lay's chips. The packaging and shipping of Lay's chips is a highly efficient process. The chips are carefully packaged into large boxes or bags, labeled with the product information, and then shipped off to your local store. Packaging process. The packaging process is one of the most important steps in making sure that the chips arrive at your store fresh and delicious. The corn chips are placed in a hopper that feeds them into an automated packaging machine. The machine counts, sorts, and packages the chips into bags that can be sealed and labeled for shipment. Shipping. Once the bags have been filled, they're placed on pallets which are then loaded onto trucks for delivery to various stores around the country. To ensure a safe trip, the trucks are temperature controlled to maintain optimal conditions for the chips until they reach their destination. Fun facts about Lay's Chips Factory. We bet you didn't know that the Lay's factory has been running since 1932. That's a long history of making some delicious potato chips. And with that many years' worth of experience, it's no wonder why the chips are so incredibly delicious. But what else is happening inside this amazing factory? Here are a few fun facts you might not know. Potatoes come from Idaho. Did you know that potatoes used to make Lay's potato chips come from Idaho? In fact, roughly 95% of the nation's potatoes originate in this U.S. state. Cooking up the goodness. The recipe and cooking process at the Lay's factory is quite intricate. First, potatoes are cut into thin slices and cooked in large vats of hot oil at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's nearly double the temperature at which French fries are cooked. A sophisticated salt sprinkling process. Getting salt onto those tasty chips is perhaps one of the most interesting processes. It starts with a massive 12-foot wide drum that's filled with heated air. Then, get ready for this. Liquid salt flows through a nozzle and sprinkles down onto the cooked potato chips as they roll below. To finish up before packaging, each chip gets an extra dusting of flavor like sour cream and onion or barbecue sauce. And with that, your favorite bag of Lay's potato chips is pulled from the line and ready for shipment. Conclusion. Taking a tour through the Lay's factory, it's not hard to see why their potato chips have become so beloved. Through the use of traditional, artisanal methods and modern technology, Lay's has been able to create the perfect combination of deliciousness and convenience. The process is as unique as it is hands-on, with much of the work still done with a human touch. From the selection of high-quality potatoes to the cooking and flavoring process, the attention to detail is evident throughout the production process. And of course, not to be overlooked is the unmistakable flavor of fresh Lay's potato chips. At the end of the day, it's easy to see why Lay's potato chips are so popular. Whether it's the irresistible crunch or the mouth-watering flavor, there's no denying the appeal of a fresh Lay's potato chips. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and share your reviews and comment, and subscribe our channel for more amazing videos.